Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So I am Mesa for the newcomers. Welcome to my channel. I am your teacher of English. And in today's lesson we are going to learn more synonyms and how to place them in a sentence. يعني سنتعلم كلمات جديدة وكيف يعني نضعها في جمل مفيدة. alright، لكن قبل البدء في الفيديو لا تنسوا كتابة تعليق مشجع. سأقرأ كل تعليقاتكم ومشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم ولما لا لايك للفيديو. Let's start. So the first word is different. Different, diverse. Different, diverse. Difficult, hard. Difficult, hard. Your writing is really difficult to read. دائما وقفوا الفيديو وحاولوا إعادة ما أقول بصوت مرتفع. Diminish, decrease. The number of new students decreased from 2010 to 160 this year. Disappear, vanish. Disappear, vanish. The plane disappeared behind the cloud or a cloud. Disappear, vanish. Disclose, reveal. Disclose, reveal. The doctors did not reveal the truth to him. Disclose, reveal. Down, below. Down, below. He dived below the surface of the water. Earth, ground. Earth, ground. I found her lying on the ground. I found her lying on the ground. Easy, simple. Easy, simple. It's easy for you to tell me to keep calm, but you are not in my situation. Encourage, urge. Encourage, urge. My parents have always encouraged me in my choice of career. And, finish, conclude. And, finish, conclude. They decided to end their relationship. Enormous, huge. Enormous, huge. The problems facing the president are enormous. Huge. Inquire, investigate. Inquire, investigate. I called the station to inquire about train times. Evaluate, assess. Evaluate, assess. Our research attempts to evaluate the effectiveness of the different drugs. Everlasting, eternal. Everlasting, eternal. She is an eternal optimist. She is an eternal optimist. Faithful, loyal, devoted. Faithful, loyal, devoted. I've been a faithful reader of your newspaper for many years. Fall, drop. Fall, drop. September had come and the leaves were starting to fall. False and true. False and true. These accusations are totally untrue. famous, renowned. Famous, renowned. He became internationally famous for his novels. novels وتعني الروايات. fantastic, great. fantastic, great. The weather was absolutely fantastic. The weather, الطقس, was absolutely fantastic. fast, quick. fast, quick. He is one of the fastest runners in the world. He was one of the fastest runners in the world. Father, dad. Father, dad. That's my dad over there. That's my dad over there. Find, discover. Find, discover. Can you find my bag for me? Can you find my bag for me? Fix, repair. Fix, repair. I've fixed the problem. I've fixed the problem. Fool, idiot. Fool, idiot. Repeat. Fool, idiot. When I lost my passport, I felt such an idiot. Forbidden, prohibited, ban. Forbid, prohibit, or ban. My doctor has forbidden me sugar. Forgive, pardon. Forgive, pardon. I never forgive her for what she did. Forgive, pardon. Former, previous. Former, previous. Nelson Mandela is a former South African president. Former. Fraction, part, portion, segment. We spent part of the time in the museum. Fragrance, perfume. Fragrance, perfume. She was wearing too much perfume. Freedom, liberty. Freedom, liberty. People here like their freedom and privacy. Fresh, unused, new. Fresh or fresh, unused, new. Have you read her new novel? Fun, enjoyment. Fun, enjoyment. We had a lot of fun at Sarah's party. Funny, amusing, entertaining. Funny, amusing, entertaining. It was a very entertaining evening. Furious, angry. Furious, angry. Her behavior really made me angry. Behavior يعني السلوك. Gain, acquire, obtain. Gain, acquire, obtain. The country gained its independence 10 years ago. Garbage, trash, or rubbish. Garbage, trash, rubbish. Don't forget to take out the garbage. وإلى هنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الفيديو. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم ولو بالقليل. لا تنسوا تشجيعي باللايك، الاشتراك في القناة، كتابة تعليق مشجع، ولما لا مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم حتى تعم الفائدة بإذن الله. أراكم في الحلقة القادمة. Take care. See you.